Hi, I'm Keith Van Pelt, Vice President of Manufacturing here at Weatherby. I want to invite you to see our facility here in Sheridan, Wyoming. We'll go in, take a quick look around, and give you a little bit about what we do here. So the Weatherby Company was founded in 1945 by Roy Weatherby. Roy was a young man from Kansas that was in search of a better bolt-action rifle and ammunition. Roy did a lot of research, and he found that velocity was the key to making a high-performance bolt-action rifle and ammunition combination. In 1945, Roy Weatherby founded his organization in Southern California. It spent the next 75 years in the California area between 3 locations. In 2018, the company announced that it would be relocating its operations, both corporate functions and manufacturing operations, to the beautiful state of Wyoming. In March of 2019, we took occupancy of our new building here in Sheridan, Wyoming, and established our manufacturing operations and corporate functions here. Since coming to Sheridan, we have grown our workforce here about 30%. Through organic growth of new products, innovations, development of new process and expansions on those processes. Our mission here at Weatherby is to inspire the dreams of hunters and shooters, and we provide that through high-performance firearms that you can find in the world. Our team is made up of some of the best craftsmen and assembly personnel that you can find. We are very dedicated to building our team and supporting our culture here. Here at Weatherby, our culture is about family. We are a family-owned business, and we treat our team as though part of that family, and that is really the part of the values we focus on every day. Through the manufacturing operations, we provide various firearms. We have 2 bolt-action rifle lines. We have the Vanguard line, which is the entry-level firearm for that person that wants to own a Weatherby but is not ready to make the purchase of a Mark V. The Vanguard line is a great firearm. We offer it in blue finishes, Cerakote finishes, multiple variety of stocks, including wood and composites. The Mark V line, that's our premier bolt-action rifle. It is known as the strongest action in the world. And we also provide that in a variety of finishes, both blued and Cerakote metal, as well as wood and composite stocks. Also within our manufacturing facility here, we have custom shop and service center. So in our custom shop, we can provide custom orders that you can get online, and you can basically develop yourself through our configurator, and then our highly skilled craftsmen here and gunsmiths will create that for you. We also have a variety of finishing operations here in which we do Cerakote finish on the metal actions and barrels, as well as we do painting finishes of variety on our stocks. Through our engineering group here, we work with our marketing teams for new product development, and our engineering teams will develop the new products and then work together to relay those into manufacturing processes. Our manufacturing engineers are also focused on how to implement more efficiencies and drive quality through our organization. We support our quality efforts through our quality management system and provide that ownership to our employees to make sure that our products move through this operation with accountability and ownership of each operation so that our final customer receives a high quality performing firearm. We invite you to stop by here in Sheridan and visit Weatherby. Yes, we have a great showroom and retail space here, so you're able to see our products, handle our products. You can even purchase products here at the facility. So please come by, visit us here in Sheridan.